I'm currently on my way to go shopping to get some like kitchen stuff for my van. I want to get like a sink caddy organizer and other stuff. So yeah, let's go shopping. Okay, so between Target, Home Goods, and Walmart, this is what I've acquired. We have 4 plates and 4 bowls. These were 50 cents each from Target. That's awesome. These are from Walmart. This whole set was like $5, which is awesome. These 2 are from Home Goods. I think these were like $15 each. 15 and something, maybe 10. This was given to me by my friend who used to have a van, and this is what he used, and he no longer uses it, so he gave it to me. Scrubber, carbon monoxide alarm, safety first, strainer, a cute little set of wooden utensils. This was only $6 from Home Goods. This little like tote to organize my utensils, and this thing that fits perfectly over my stove in the van, which is awesome, dual-sided, and a refillable 1-pound propane tank with the refill kit. So we're actually going to try this out here in a little bit, because this is what I'm going to be cooking with tonight. Look at this. Got a little spider hanging out right here. Yeah, she's a little bare. Since I don't have heat yet, I like to have this heated blanket under my sheets just so that it can keep me warm, and the comforter keeps all the heat in too. This is sort of what I got going for organization. I just have some soaps up here, a lighter for the stove, and a life straw. And up here's where I keep all the kitchen stuff. As you can see, it is very, very, very organized. I almost forgot to fill up my water tank. Oh. So I'm using the Mr. Heater fuel keg. I got this at Walmart. It was like 20 bucks, I think, as well as the kit. So now we turn this to the left, and then after that we push this down, and once we get like a consistent stream spitting out of here, then that's when it's full. I got some gloves on. Turn this on, twist this to the side, and then I hear it filling up. All right, so we are loaded up. I got all my stuff in the back, and now I'm headed to the grocery store, pick up some groceries so I can make a little before bed snack and some breakfast. Oh. Yeah. There we go. We have made it to our destination. Here's Ophelia looking pretty. I got the fan up. Burp. Peep the park job. Beautiful. Picante, chicken, creamy chicken, roast. I think I'm gonna go with the creamy chicken. Yeah. This might be too small. No, that's gonna being perfect, I think. All right, we're cooking with fire now. Heck yeah. Noodles are starting to look a little good, so I think I'm gonna throw in the egg. Woo! Egg is done. Woo! Noodles are about done. I got garlic powder in there. Just a little bit of chili powder. Montreal steak seasoning. What y'all know about it? Fresh spicy pepper from our garden. A little bit of this homemade hot sauce. Yeah. Yeah. Get a little bite test going here. I hope it's a good angle. It's phenomenal. This is phenomenal. This is amazing. Woo, it's a big pile of dishes. It's time to get to work. Dishes are all done. Sink's nice and squeaky clean. I think it's time to hit the haze. Get some rest. Wake up in the morning and cook up some breakfast. So, yeah. Good night. Good morning. So all of these panels covering the windows are on suction cups, and I just store them under here. I took these two off to get some more natural light in here. I've seen my dad do this, so I'm a little nervous to try it, but he just like drops it in there and it like cracks it. Oh, no, I mean, didn't really have the best turnout. Maybe I'll just stick to my ways of doing things. Final product. We're gonna get a bite test, but I got some Carolina Reaper cheese, and I usually get the ghost pepper cheese, but I wanted to try going a little bit spicier because the ghost pepper cheese isn't really that spicy. Like ghost peppers are, but the cheese isn't. And I got Carolina Reaper cheese, and I tried like a small bite, and it was actually really hot. And I have 2 pieces on here, so I'm a little nervous. Wow. That's hot. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna have to eat this very slow. That's spicy. Last bite. Time to do some dishes. My foot pump helps me save so much water because I can just intentionally use the smallest amount of water. I don't have to worry about turning the faucet on and off a whole bunch. While it would be nice to have a faucet I can just turn on, because having the foot pump is really annoying for like filling up a pot with water and stuff. It makes the water last longer, which in my eyes is the most important thing, especially if you were to be like van lifing on the road. Okay. All of the dishes are done. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'm gonna go enjoy my Sunday. Peace.